The story of Habil and Qabil, children of Adam and Hawwa. Adam salam and Hawwa had two sons, Habil and Qabil. They were among the first people to live on earth. One day, Allah instructed both of them to offer a sacrifice, that means Qurbani. Habil, who was sincere and righteous, gave the best of what he had. Qabil, however, offered something with little care or intentions. Allah accepted the sacrifice of Habil but not Qabil's. Out of jealousy and anger, Qabil became furious. He threatened his brother and eventually committed the first murder in human history by killing Habil. After the terrible act, Allah sent a crow. The crow scourged the ground to show Qabil how to bury his brother. Qabil realized the gravity of what he had done and was filled with regret. Listen from the story. Allah accepts deeds done with sincerity and righteousness. Jealousy and pride can lead to destruction. Learning from mistakes is part of being human, but repentance and turning back to Allah is key.